The cord clamp attaches to your tool's power cord and prevents the cord from being pulled free from the handle. The clamp locks in place on the cord and prevents strain on the wires where they attach to the switch. If the clamp fails, the wires might be torn away from the switch. Replacing the cord clamp is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear handle cover. Next, I'll remove the cord wires, the ground wire, the black cord wire. To remove these wires, I'll insert a small screwdriver into the openings on the switch and twist it. That'll release the wire. Next, the white cord wire. Now I can remove the cord clamp. I'll use a screwdriver to pry the clamp open. And then I can pull it away from the wire. Now I'll install the new cord clamp. I'll place it over the cord in the same location as the old clamp. And then I'll use a pair of pliers to clamp it into place. Now I'll reinstall the cord to the switch. First the black wire, then the white, and I'll reconnect the ground wire. I'll place the switch back into the handle, place the cord clamp in the handle, and align the strain relief. And then I'll make sure all of the wires are tucked out of the way so they don't get pinched when I reinstall the housing. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the rear housing. And that's all it takes to install a new cord clamp in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.